The best WordPress theme for any web development project. If you dread sifting through WordPress themes, pay attention because I'm going to tell you the best theme to use for any WordPress project. Finding the perfect theme can be time-consuming and frustrating. Have you ever found what looks like the perfect theme, and then once you get it installed it's lacking a must-have feature? Well, I'm going to tell you about a theme that is so clean and versatile, you probably won't ever consider another theme. Phlox by Averta is a clean, lightweight WordPress theme that offers customization at every turn. According to the developer, what makes the Phlox unbeatable is being fast, truly responsive, translation-ready, RTL layout, built with SEO in mind, professional portfolio features, 30 exclusive widgets and elements, 19 demo sites for one-click import, WooCommerce ready, WPML ready, 100% GDPR compliance, reliable with regular updates, and also integrated with Elementor, Visual Composer and Site Origin page builders. When they say, look no further, the Phlox theme is the only theme that you will ever need to use, believe it. I won't even consider another theme. Some of my most favorite features are: it's highly compatible with Elementor. Not all themes work well with Elementor. In fact, some can be downright buggy. Phlox was built and perfectly optimized for Elementor Page Builder. If you use Elementor Page Builder, and want a theme that looks and works flawlessly with it, Phlox is the way to go. Unlimited customizations. Some themes are highly limited by customization options. Not Phlox. If you want to change it, chances are there is an option. Some of the most frequently utilized options include the header and page background color, header and body font color and styles, removing the margin at the top of the page so your body content is flush with the navigation menu, sidebar positioning, sticky bar enabling and customization, and page title removal. Custom headers and footers. Having call to action buttons in the header are a must-have for creating a high-converting website. The Phlox Core plugin enables the option of adding up to 2 CTA buttons. This legacy feature was great, but was limiting in that you had to select from pre-selected color options. With the latest version, you can create completely custom headers and footers that you can design out with Elementor, just as you would a page. When it comes to designing clean, lightweight sites, with plenty of design customization, and totally custom headers and footers, Phlox is a no-brainer. It's an easy choice that you don't even have to think about when it comes time to start a new web development project for a client if you haven't already. If you use Phlox WordPress theme, what are your favorite features? If not, what is your favorite theme and why? Leave a comment. If you found this video helpful, and feel you learned something valuable to help you in your business, do me a favor and like it. We enjoy sharing helpful knowledge with those who really need it, and by liking it, you'll be doing your part to help others discover this video. If you want to get more tidbits of knowledge like this, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Last but not least, if you're looking for an easy solution for getting top-paying clients, consider Client GoGetter. We produce educational niche videos, like the one you're watching now, that you can upload to attract web development clients from different industries. Your next client may only be a video upload away. Click the link in the description to learn more.